Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this lovely 67 registered Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D Sport. Now this is the automatic gearbox car and finished in polar white solid paintwork. The car's got some lovely features. We're sat on the 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, and it's got the benefit of front and rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. The paintwork itself is in exceptional condition. The car's done a very low mileage of only just on 23,000 miles, and you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous keepers because it is in, arguably, I could suggest it's in immaculate condition. Now, generally cars which come with the mud flaps on tend to be cars which people have cared for and they don't like muck going up the side of the vehicle. This particular car has the privacy glass, and wait for it, as you can see there, it does have the electric deployable Mercedes-Benz tow bar. Now, in my opinion, as you can see there, it's had very little use. There's no sort of oil, grease, etc. to suggest that it's done any sort of serious towing. Probably fitted by Mercedes and very lightly used. The mud flaps are all Mercedes. They've got the icon on, so front and rear parking sensors, privacy glass, deployable tow bar in gorgeous order. When I take a look down both the sides, it's free from trolley dent in any imperfection whatsoever. It is a lovely example, and always they look fantastic in white, I must admit. So we've got 2 keys for it, as well as, and the chrome's all in super order. Now when I open the door, you can tell straight away that whoever owned it, it was their pride and joy. The seats are the black leather seats with the light grey contrast stitch, and again they're in fantastic order. The interior is in superb condition throughout, no marks really, but the particular model comes very well specified. So we get the black ash wood interior detail, heated seats. Now this is the 2 switches there to suggest obviously the tow bar is factory, that one being the electric tailgate and that one being the electric tow bar deployment. So just hold that and then it'll come out, and push it and it'll be back in when I go back round the car and show you in a minute. Now then, fully loaded these cars, I do like them. I'm going to start it up for you there. Just turn the radio down. So jumping in the car, press the brake pedal, start the car up. Which screen lights up very nicely there and shows 23,134 miles. Now that's fantastic when you think this is a 2017 car, very lightly used, and you can tell that this car has been very lightly used. Now specification on these is fantastic. So we've got power folding door mirrors. As I press that, it's auto dimming on the passenger, on the driver, and the center mirror as well. Heated seats. And then coming up to the multifunction leather trim steering wheel, we have the radio controls on the right and the details, cruise control as well. We have the stalk for the gearbox. It's on the column, cruise control, speed limiter, and obviously your wipers. Moving across to that center screen there shows us we've got the DAB radio, the satellite navigation, very easy to use, very easy to read. Just use the center scroll wheel and then it will illuminate and work the center section. Media player, so I can have auxiliary, I can have Bluetooth, CD player as well if you wish, if you have a generation where you've got CDs, and then we've got Bluetooth phone. When we come down into the center armrest there, we've got the SD card for the CD player, we've got 2 USBs, and down on the center section then we've got the control wheel and dynamic drive. You've pressed that one there, it will adjust the settings on the vehicle. We can drive sport, comfort, etc. Dual climate control, so we've got passenger and driver can adjust the temperature. All the book packs there. We've got the locking wheel nut keys, etc. in the glove box. We've got 2 car keys. We've got the silver aluminium detail and trim running onto the black ash as discussed. Passenger seat is in superb condition, as you can see there, no rips, tears or any sort of marks. Carpets have all been shampooed. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper they don't smoke either, and with only 23,134 miles, as you can expect, that car still smells fresh and new. Lovely condition, very, very fastidiously owned vehicle. Opening the rear of the car, the internal seats are in fantastic order. Just take a look at them, absolutely beautiful. Still with the contrast stitch, still with the Isofix. Will fit 3 adults in the rear with ease. Black ashwood follows through as well. But what a wonderful, wonderful example. Very, very nice indeed. Now I drove one of those. They've got a 9-speed Geartronic, or maybe 8-speed, I think, 8-speed, let's say. And I got over 60 miles to the gallon on a trip to London in one of these. Absolutely brilliant on fuel and very, very nice. Anything on a Mercedes product these days is second to none. But what a wonderful looking car. Stick a private registration on that and somebody will think you bought a brilliant new vehicle. So if you'd like to reserve this, we take a £250 fully refundable deposit. We'll get the car ready for you here in Wigan, so you only need to visit us once and reserve and collect your vehicle. If you need finance, give us a call. We can do all that over the phone. Send you our secure portal to sign up on. If you've got a part exchange, send us some images. We'll have a look at it. We'll give you a price. I'm Graham. There's Lee and Dominic on sales. If you have a look on Auto Trader on Google and Facebook, you'll see we're a 5-star family business. And have a look at our Facebook page. You'll see customers from all over the UK doing exactly what you've done. If you look at our reviews, you can see what they're saying about our business when they're collecting cars. But we present everything to the high standards. We buy only grade 1 cars. That's the best you can buy with everything. So 2 keys, yes. Bookpack, yes. Service history, yes. All the service history is detailed on the website, and I've taken pictures as well of the services. 3 services at the Mercedes dealer, and then 1 independent service, so 4 services in all. It'll have a fresh MOT before it leaves us and goes through our pre-delivery inspection process, so we can then present it to the highest of standards. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.